As farmers get doing these spray applications on these larger properties, it's all about efficiency and how quickly we can get these machines refilled and spraying again. So Horsch has done a nice job of mounting this front fill system underneath, so we don't have it hanging out exposed when we're using it. As soon as it's done, it's tucked up underneath. We've got a 3-inch fill direct into the main tank. We can monitor the tank volume on the screen right here. We can also fill direct into the freshwater tanks from here as well with the 2-inch system. So very easy to move between the two, easy to access, and as soon as we're done, just with the press of a button, it's tucked up out of the way, so it's nice and secure. Please get in contact and we'd be happy to show you what this machine can do on your farm.